Meaning of farmer.
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 Farmer. A farmer is a person who works on a farm to cultivate crops and/or raise animals for food, fiber, or other products. Farmers may work alone or with others, and their work can involve planting and harvesting crops, caring for livestock, maintaining machinery and equipment, and managing finances. The role of the farmer is essential in providing food and other agricultural products to consumers around the world. Agriculture is a vital industry that supports communities and economies, and farmers are at the forefront of this important work.